Hi guys, hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be showing you how to achieve a skin that glows, a skin like milk. I will show you how to go about it. Well, I know there's some people that will go like, oh, you've got filter on, oh, you've got makeup, you got light makeup that's looking natural. I'll show you. You see this here? This is micellar water. I'm going to put some in my cotton swab and I'm going to wipe my face down and my neck. Actually, let's do it again because it seems like you cannot really see all the areas of. You might say, "Oh, she swapped the cotton wool." There is another fresh one from my cupboard. Here is my micellar water, and I'm going to pump 1, 2, and 3, and there you go. Can you see? I'm not doing it off camera. I'm actually doing it right in your face. Yeah? At least if I have makeup on my face and on my neck, I don't have on my fingers, right? Can you see that? Okay. And the magic juice. The magic facial tonic I use for this to achieve this look. I'm going to be showing you, and it is this. Just 3 ingredients, and you would use this. And all you need to do with this is with your freshly washed face, you can just spray this all over, mist it everywhere, and allow it dry. Look at my face. Close up. Let me look into your soul. Can you see? Yes, I'm breaking out there. I'm a girl, so I break out every month. But are you going to come over with me to my kitchen so I'll show you how to make this? Come with me to my kitchen and I'll show you how to make this goodness. Hello again, welcome back to my kitchen. So I will be showing you how to make clove water with rose water and star anise. So it's just 3 ingredients that we need. Let's get started. Okay, welcome back to my kitchen counter. So the number 1 ingredient for this lovely recipe is rose water. Okay, and also we have clove. You can take a screenshot and let me show you what cloves look like. This is cloves. Take a screenshot and take it to your grocery shop to show them. All right. So I'm going to put this much inside my jar. I'm using a glass one. So I'm going to put, it's about 10 in. We've got star anise. Star anise too has got antioxidant properties. And I'm going to put 2 of these. 1. And 2. Okay. And I'm using my rose water. And make sure that when you want to get rose water, make sure it is just rose. Just rose. This one's only got 1 ingredient and it's rose. Yeah? Or you could get the rose flower and put it in distilled water. That would do the same thing as well. So that is my rose water. This is the Dabo Premium Rose Water. And it's in 250 ml. So I'm going to empty the entire thing. And it's inexpensive. I got this for £2.99. Okay, so I'm going to break it open. Smells really nice. And I'm going to empty the entire contents into my jar. Okay, and I would cover it up. And I'll just leave it to sit on my kitchen counter till tomorrow or when the water changes. But by tomorrow morning, I'm pretty sure it would have changed color. And when it's changed color, this is what we're going to achieve. This color. And then you could spray this on your face after you've washed it. And it would actually help to clear your hyperpigmentation. Yes, I'm not a dermatologist, disclaimer, but this has helped with clearing some of my hyperpigmentation. It wouldn't work overnight. You need to be consistent. And I can guarantee you that if you keep using it consistently for 30 days, you will see a difference. And plus, you're going to glow. You will see fine lines start to disappear. You will see your aging process is going to, literally, you're going to age backward. I will tell you to guess my age. You would not guess right, but I know I'm aging backward because this is part of my skincare routine. So if you've watched this video up until this moment, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. If you're new here, please, hello and welcome. My name is Lolex Signature, the one and only baby girl for life on this street. So please do well to subscribe to my channel. I will be bringing so much to you. My OGs, I love you. I love you so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I would see you in my next video. Ta-da!